Big X uyangena. Ha. Ubukeli STENA. Ha. Yes, Big X is chilling and you are watching yet another episode of his STENA. I'm your host, Big Xhosa. Uyandazi, it's fine. It's all good. Namhlanje ndiniphathele 100% juice. Niyayazi xa nje nami nisele 100% juice. Not if you monga imali or nah, we don't do that. 100% juice. The juiciest stories ever. Namhlanje man ukusiso sibhaleleyo wathi because I have this issue man, uyabo? And ngingathanda man uba ndikuxelele live in front of ababukeli beSTENA and hey anikwazi noyicacisa without further ado Lee kamzise man yabona lena Lee mzise Lee. Hello Sisi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good too because bani kama lako? Dineo. Yeah, Dineo. Look beautiful Dineo. Thank you for coming. So can you tell us why you are here? I was reading your letter, but can you just explain to people?
Nila to confess something to my best friend, a roommate, my sister, my everything. So I feel guilty. It's all.
I'm also a bit confused, yabon. I know, but I'm sure the people are a bit confused. But can you just tell it like it is?
Okay, so so I don't know what happened, but then I just had a thing no guy in Yamtanda. But too. We've been busy developing.
So if I'm getting this clear, they have kids together. And when you've been friends with your friend for how long?
For 6 years, man.
This one is gonna be difficult, I feel. But you see, I'm not here to judge you as Zindo's Yenzeka, and it's very rare, like it hasn't really happened in a while ubona abantu ngosisi bebethana ngeSTENA and stuff, but I'm glad you came and you are telling us this. Niyasazi ke thina apha we sibe sisuka quote asithini after the break xa sibuye breakini sizaniphathela abantu kuthethwa ngabo nizibonele ke nive deep ngalendo. I bring you 100% juice, not mongi mal, not diffusion. Ha! Siabuya. Big X is chilling and you are watching his STENA. X has been chilling and you've been watching his STENA. Spinde Sabuya. Welcome back. If you are not here, utusisima no man dinero mate and maze for 6 years, but now all of a sudden the end has born us in Tanano Mdwake. I don't know why mistake okanye indoni. Without further ado Lee, kakauzi susisima mzise Lee. Molos is right?
Yeah, right.
I'm good. Big Xhosa bani kama lakho?
Oh, Uthando.
Okay. Thando, I'm sure mhlawumbe uyothuka kancane ubona ama camera and stuff.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
I was bakwenzeke ndoni and stuff. So we are a show called STENA. Abantu bazakuthi basibhalele bathi I'm sure we are familiar with the word STENA. Ukhona umuntu ichomi yakho le, you know her from.
Yeah, she's my best friend.
All right. So best friend yakho kukho into afuna ukuxela yona apha maningayithethi ngokwami, like your best friend wants to tell you something and thetha sis.
Choma.
Hi.
Ciao.
Ciao, Brenna.
Ciao. I have something to tell you.
Okay.
Max.
What about Max?
I'm really busy nalela.
Ini?
I don't know what happened. Got the whole.
Xa usithi busy, when you say you were busy, busy nganothethe uvakale sisingoyiki.
Besithandana noMax. Yathandana actually.
How? Ndani le?
From 8 months back. Since
8 months back. So mi angkhala kuye ngalo muntu wongiconfirtayo. Then wo futhi ochitha naye.
Shona untshela ngaye muso wenzani uzela abantwana. Ngithanda nami ngilifuna lo thando.
Wow.
Bethuna, it's Sisi, how do you feel right now? Like take us through your mind.
I'm confused because my problems are ngihlezi ngitshela yini.
And
When I'm
manje
head ngitshela yini. Because hlala sithu. Futhi uyazi nokuthi mina no Max sinabantwana. Then uyongenza so futhi.
oh my God. Iyavakala mnasekhaya. So I hear when Max kudala nithandana, it's been ninabo nabantwana. So like best friend yakho just told you by he's been busy with the Max. Did you suspect anything with Max?
No.
You never suspected anything.
I suspected ukuthi uyachita,
But-
not knowing ukuthi we. Because every time angimtshela ukuthi Max is doing this, Max is doing this, abthomeke sizomthola lo muntu afeba naye. Kanti we.
Kandi, oh my God. Bethuna niyasiva story basi deep kanjani. So let me just Max, like is there anything ayenza wrong okanye is there anything ayenza wrong in you, like in terms of provide financially ebedini unjani and stuff? I'm sorry but I have to ask. Uyabona? Ngasitshela.
Okay, he's a great performer, must say. He's supporting and zakhe and stuff angifuna something. But lately
he hasn't been available as much. I think now you know the reason why.
Yeah.
Busy nomngani wakho. So without further ado man, lendo I'm very happy. I'm happy with the way you are calm, because if bengomnyumni ngeqhuma inqindi apha ku busy and stuff, but you're very calm, which is very beautiful. Without further ado babukeli man, sizawuzisa uMax ngoku, sizawuzisa uMax. Masiqale siye breaking, xa sibuya uMax uyeza, siyabuya. Welcome back, it's Big Xhosa, your host for STENA EP17. Hey, umbangu Max. Leak, how's this Max? Is a Max? Max.
Hola.
Amen. Grand.
Great.
I'm the grand Max. The grand. I'm sure we have Abaza Banbu by two, you know these people.
Yeah, don't have often.
Obando.
Oh, the Magutu. Ubitumahayo.
Oh, okay. So, Max, usisi lona, uthi nina mama man vele ndicacisa uthi usisi kudala niqhu, you guys have been busy behind her back. Yabo? So, I don't know kwenzeke ntoni, because I feel like you had a beautiful thing going on with usisi lona. Kuye kwenzeka ntoni? Like what happened? What led to you bama uthandane no?
Mara introduce to my high, so it's nothing like I catch the feelings of one. And I'm sorry, Mama Guntu.
Max, I feel like emotions is about high. Must let's be prepared. Utini, ubustini get kubeka.
Mara introduce to my highs, and so then I got to more catch the feelings. And
It's not like one respect them. You don't respect him.
How?
He does everything for you. God, I still you don't respect
I see that I told him, I'm sorry.
No, sorry for him.
Everything you get your name, like, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
How? Mama's by 2 foods. Boink. Hey.
Max.
That's the story.
Uthi uzabathatha bobabini.
Yeah, lakhale nikobathomtshayela mara next na nako. Tabashata
Show me
believe.
it is taken now. It's not someone.
Wait, now, whoa.
You know me, I know you.
So, kusiza lap.
So Hima, let me ask you, what is she doing better than Umama was saying that attracted you to her?
Mama sa khona upheka kunhlungu.
And she doesn't respect.
Yeah.
See, you keep on saying the respect thing.
Do you respect wena?
Mama alakharuwa kunhlungu nje. Never. Washouta kunhlungu.
Wena usuku yenzana ngikushouta ngavele kushouta nje.
Mela sonke kunesipilela nje.
Oh,
Bayitsora ke batlolwana. Oba. Yo kharuwa washouta khona upheka. Kopeting o prepare dilo tse dingwe yo.
Okay, I get it.
So imake ngoku, you feel like zonke zinto, like those are the things that she does wrong, and then she gets them right, ne?
Yeah.
That's beautiful. So what's your plan? Ufuna ukuhlukana naye completely okanye kwenzeka ntoni?
Ngibonga bala kofela.
Bafuna bobabini?
Yeah.
Sisi, how do you feel about le ndithethwa Max?
Max.
Student.
You are confused. When you are fine with any situation as long as you end up with the Max.
As long as I'm Muslim.
Ogata nna ka khona go khatlalla le thu.
Puso me aga ka nnete.
I'm stressed. Baby.
Yeah. I storeless.
My sister, I'm gonna say again, I like how calm you are. I'm shocked when they are saying you are shouting at them. Because if you were shouting at them, this would have been very, very hectic. Yabo?
No, labantu ba create story laba. Ayikho lo doda bawushoyo.
Wena washapana lokunhlungu. Imagine asatla sakha sitla musifahlo nsaka. Washapana kunhlungu. Labana bamthaba.
Hi, bosisi. Like ndiyayothuka. She seems very calm to me. Like ayingomntu owenza izinto ezitheni.
Aba pretend fela ukuthola ithuna khawa mizimpilo ori.
No. Labantu bakhupha story. His violence lo muntu wokuqala. Abantwana bayamsaba. Sinokubuya silwe mina naye. Kuze interfere abantwana.
My brother, let me just ask Lendo ne. Since when I are saying awufuna ukuhlukana nomnye kunabo, yabo? Uyamthanda maNxhosa zakho kakhulu futhi.
Right.
Mara why ichomi yakhe? At least someone else. Why a friend, brother?
At least batla khona umntwana.
So zwana kanjani because ihleli manje mina ngingisambone the way bengimbona ngakhona because
yabophela la khona iraphisa.
So I andiyazi. So Max, like uthi wena umama wasendlini wakho has uyakushout sometimes uyakubamba ngesandla ingane ziyamoyika and stuff, like she seems very calm. Yabona best friend yakhe told her like that she took her man, but she's very calm. I've never seen anything eyenzayo yabo. Like it feels like to me Nyamkhola the way she is. She's so
they
relaxed.
are.
No, kasipidi warasabona thola uleli ngayona uhloko. Omana
When
robela.
maximizela everything, nami manje sengijolana uyangenzela izinto.
Wow, izipho iyo le uyibekhangisayo eza ngasa support abantwana. Yazi ngahle kahle nami ngijwayela
Bye, John. Maxi.
So mama so. Ngilona. So.
La weave ibithengwe nguwe.
Yeah.
Andiyazi, I don't know. Sithando sami, I hope right and shocked. Max, you bought the weave yathathwa ngumama wengane zakho.
Alalitona tsengata kunhlungu kitsorwayeng.
Kaloku she's hurt, brother yam. You must understand. This is her best friend, and when you just bought the weave for her best friend, mara endlini bathi I'll support you and stuff. Babukeli ndizayiyeka nje andizube ndixoxa feta kuvele kwahamba iweave ndothukile inhliziyo yami ibhlungu. Big X has been chilling and you are watching STENA. Thank you to all our guests. Sibulela nangeweave emkileyo. Hey kunzima. STENA, I will see you again on another episode. Big X has been chilling and you are watching STENA.